About some salt mackerel and dumpling. You know, we have okra, the string bean, you don't know, the sweet pepper, hot pepper, you name it, onion, garlic, all of them things there. You see me? We're going to cut a banana fresh off of the tree. So watch what I go on. See this? Yeah man. Yeah man, see how it go. That is it. Pick some fresh banana, you know, just cut. People cut the banana, they wanna cut them. Two hand left, you know. 2 finger banana leaf. I'm showing you where they cut it from. Cut off the banana then. And left 2 on it. So then take off roughly about 6 or 7 on the banana already and cook the core. Nice, you know guys. Yeah man. So man, give a family member this in the yard. Yeah man, nice though guys. Yeah. Alright, so check in back. Yeah guys, so we done shear up. And this left back out of banana, you know. So now we're gonna set on our patio now. So watch what go on. Yeah man, that is it. Yeah guys, so what really happening now? Cut the banana them to get the stain out of them, you know. Now chew them fresh, you know that part they go. So just want to make them go and drain, you know. So you know you want them to get stain up. Alright, so they are work on them, you know. So catch in the back. We have put on salt mackerel. I'll put it on the fire. anytime now. Make it go and soak out the salt out like boil it up a bit. And use the same water there. Cook down the flour. And there we go. So salt, mackerel and dumpling today, you know, guys. Yeah, man. So watch the process. Show now what one. See me? And then in the kitchen here I do it, man. And we have something that come up soon, you know, guys. I have a little surprise, you know. I have a little surprise that come up, like a surprise vlog. So now stay tuned and go and watch the video them. Go and like the video them. You see me I say? And go and support the channel. Grow it and grow, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Eventually, you know, so see more and more content, you know. You can sit down in the living room and enjoy. Don't know the thing go. You know, so look like we do all of them, you know. Yeah, man, all of them. So catch in the back. And I put our salt mackerel. Alright, so get this on the fire. Yeah man guys, so you know, so we're on it. Yeah man, some salt mackerel and dumpling, banana, and you see we're growing provision them, you see everything. All the thing missing like yam and sweet potato, you know them thing there, but them kinda hard to get away, and you know the price them kinda up same way, but you know we go. We're there upon it. So check in guys, stay put and watch what go on. Bless up. You know what time now guys? Need up a flour, you know. Now put no whole heap of salt, because remember say salt mackerel in a pot already, you know, guys. I'll take off them thing I call when I want them mingle in your food, you know? Yeah, man. Knead up the floor, you know. There you go. Once you're a chef, you don't worry about it, you know, guys. You just do it, you know. Get some water in a small container, guys. There we go. As I say, see our chef, you know, worry about it. Can't miss. See that now? Yeah man guys, so we're there and we are cut up. We season them now. So we'll start with tomato. Yeah man, and remember on the sister we washed them earlier. Yes sir. Try get a better angle. The next GoPro. So I chop up the season them now guys. Slice up a tomato. Start out the garlic, you know. Look in terms of shade, kind of dark still, but see with me guys. So there, do it, you know. Place is so bright today, you know. So I cook some dumpling, banana, salt, mackerel. Alright, that is it for garlic. Got a shop a while ago and the man asked me for green juice me I make. Tell him no. Me I cook some okra, some salt, mackerel, dumpling. Man say oh, cause one day you want to make some green juice and go blend up the okra until I never strain. I tell him say no. And the wrong way him do it, boil him for boil the okra, mash out and use the water. Man say him never know brother. So, and a big elder you know. Yeah, I saw them things they go more time. More time you never know until you know, you know. So, there we have a string bean them on, you know, get them ready for go in a pot. Go in a guys. No joke. Dice up work for them, you know. Yeah man guys, so cut up a cucumber you know. Almost done cut up the vegetable them or season them per se. So I cut up half a pepper I have from yesterday. Alright guys, so I go on. I'm ground privilege on this. We're going to my salt mackerel today now guys. So I don't know where you go. Nothing normal. Yeah man, so catchy again. Yeah man guys, so there I put in the roll and press them you know. salt mackerel boil out in a pot, you know, guys. You know that one, yeah? No normal, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, drop in the flour them, you know. Yeah, man. Soon take out the salt mackerel and pick it up. Yeah, man. And get the next spot prepared for go on, you know. Yeah, man. That is it. They are going to do the right thing, you know, guys. Yeah, man. As I say, they are line up a surprise for me, you know. Yeah, man. Going to something you can sit down and enjoy and watch and all a vibe, man, you know. Yeah, man. More big up Cameron Family TV, you know. Yeah, man. And more big up Mickey and Stretch, Jizzy Burke, Walking TV, Professor Bingy, Junior Lifestyle, Sharkman and Little Dragon. And more we go. Offshore fishing, big up yourself in a Yaman TV. Up same way, you know. Yeah, man. Wildlife gang, big up on yourself. DD Wildlife. Yeah, man. Foul Adventure TV, big up yourself, yo. Hidden Beauty, big up yourself, same way too, you know, not watch no face. Yeah, man. Father and son, big up yourself. Nick, big up yourself in a Nick J.A. Up same way, you know. There you do it. Special care. You know where you go. Cameron Family TV. I big you up already, but big up yourself again, man. Dream Island. Like no other island. No where you go. Cut it there, so big up yourself. Boom Lifestyle. I have the Janga man too, you know, but I don't remember the film channel name. My wife not left him out none at all too, you know. Yeah, man, I ever have a catch Janga, him can't eat the Janga them, the shrimp them, but bad for catching them. Big up yourself. You know yourself. Your wife start a new channel already, I need to check it out too. Yeah, man. Man, them just go and take it easy and go and hold it, you know. Go and put in work same way. You know, so my work with me do. I can't vlog as well, I want to vlog. You understand? But I still try to go to some content same way, you know. Yeah, man. Music video, shoot and editing, you know, so that kind of take time. You see me? Kind of take time and more time. The people them spend their money, client them spend their money, is like them wants a result within like couple of days, so sometimes kind of beat with the vlog. But you know, it's a stepping stone and it's a process, you know. Yeah, man. I want it to reach upon a level where I can show you some real content. Because I have all a vlog with me, a video with me shoot, you know. No one ever want to see the behind the scene of that. Yeah, man, no one ever want to see the behind the scene of that. No doubt. Yeah, man. You know, as soon as I done edit that video there, I'm going to create the behind the scene so the guy them can see it and see me I talk about, you know. Yeah, man. That is it, man. Almost don't need the flour them, you know. So when you put in the banana them, check in again, see? Alright, yeah man, so my dumpling pot a bubble there. So I drop in my banana them, you know. Yeah man, so I take out the salt mackerel. So put some water on it and pick him up. Yeah man. But I put in my banana them, meanwhile it go and soak off. Banana and dumpling that are going, you know. You know it go. Yeah man guys, so in the meantime, we put in the season to go and cook down, you know. Yeah man. So we're gonna pick up the salt mackerel. When the season cook down, we put it in, you know, because you know, you don't want it mash out too much, you know. And it already boil out already. Yeah man. So you know it's style. So rub off the liquor, you know? Scale, skin. Really funny, you know? Clean them up proper. Some like a bone, yeah? Like a pin bone, you pick them out, you know? This now. That is it, you know. So there upon it, guys. Yeah man, pot of bubble, you know. That is it, real way. The vegetable in there cooked down, you know, guys. No oil, you get me. Just like a water, make them cook down, let them cook. You see how I make my sauce and drop in my salt mackerel. Yeah, I need to take out the banana them. I make the dumpling them go and boil because the banana them cook already, you know, guys. Yeah man. I just base season, man. Base season, you know. Yeah man, so the season, tomato, all of them things that cook out, you know. I tip a little Maggi in it. Maggi all purpose. And a little Maggi fish, like a black pepper and like a Caesar salt. Yeah man. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to throw in my salt mackerel now. Man, I make that go make love, you know. Okay, man, I make this go and make love now, guys. So here we go. So check on the back shortly, you know. Yeah man. Alright. Remember me that tell you no. So then cut off some of the banana them and eat them already. Watch ya. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a banana. Them cut off. 6 and left 2 on the bunch. But how they cut it smart. And when me cut down the whole thing, me say them already eat off 6 and a banana already. Smart, whosoever do it. But that's how it go. Them never forget your whole life. Yeah man. Yeah man guys, so you know say a sharing time, you know? Yeah man, so I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah alone there now, guys. The family soon pass through, you know. Come on. So I deal with it. Yeah. That's me. See what I go on? So I'm going to have a better look at it, you know. Alright.